And it works. Mindfulness works in the relative world tremendously. That's why this mindfulness movement is the trend now. Everybody talks about mindfulness. But if we pause and reflect, in what way the mindfulness is working? And to what extent? Yes, again, you are seeing the tremendous change in your life in the outer movement wise. But when it comes to true freedom, freedom from the fear, freedom from your mind, and the mind has so many layers, as a depression, anxiety, anger, fear, frustration, and so many other layers. Are you free from that? And the answer is no. Your outer movement is working, but the inner freedom is not there yet. And we are, missing the point that the spiritual path is about undoing the learning. Outer world, mindfulness, you are mindful and you're learning and you're rearranging your stuff and moving forward in your life. You're learning and moving forward. Spiritual path is about undoing your learning. Undoing the learning means you're undoing the mind, your mind that is holding the credential. And some of the credential in your mind is so true, and that has become the reality. Yes, it's true in the relative sense, but it's not true in the absolute sense. So we have to investigate our ingrained credential, ingrained belief in us to figure out the inner freedom. And guess what? The path hasn't even begun yet. Our so-called inward journey is just being mindful of the mind and mindful of oneself. Being mindful of the mind is not going to dissolve the fear from life, because mindful of the mind, after being mindful of the mind, and if you see the negative stuff, you're just inviting